What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today is a Monday and I'm going to analyze gold for you guys. Sorry for the late, I was pretty busy. So without wasting any time, let's start our analysis. So currently we are in a monthly time frame, and as we know, for the direction we need to analyze a higher time frame like monthly, then weekly, then daily, and then maybe go for H4. So yeah, I am in a monthly time frame, so let's analyze monthly first. As you guys can see, here we have a very beautiful CSM buy. CSM buy means candle closed just above the top BB. See, and if you can see, a 3 consecutive candles closed as a CSM buy, and this candle, the last candle, is still in a progress. I mean, a few days left to close this candle, so we are not saying that it is a CSM buy or what, because candle does not close yet. So by this record we can say that previous candle closed as a CSM buy, and we know one thing, that if we see a CSM buy signal, price can come to mitigate the MA510 low, right? So it means we can look for a buy if price can come to mitigate this re-entry area, right? Okay, so, and if you guys can see, here we have a very beautiful extreme. You see, MA510 out, just out of the top PB. Okay, and if you guys can look for the trend, we know that an EMA 50 is just below the made BB and the price. You see, EMA 50 here and made BB, and the price is above the EMA 50. So it means that it shows us a very strong buy trend. So monthly is in a bullish trend. We can look for a buy if it comes to mitigate the re-entry area of MA510. We can look for buy and we can buy, yeah. But as we guys can see, it's far away. Re-entry is very far away, so maybe it take time to come to mitigate the monthly re-entry area. Okay, so for now monthly is in a bullish trend. So now it's time to look for a weekly. So let's jump into the weekly time frame. Well, now we are in a weekly time frame. Weekly is very interesting, guys. If you guys can see, here we got a very beautiful extreme, right? And if you guys can see here, a few weeks ago I did analysis and I marked this candle as an early CSAK sell, right? As you guys can see, a candle which closed below the MA510 low is I marked as a early CSAK sell, and I was looking for a sell almost this selling area, resistance area, MA510 high. But you guys can see price breaks it and closed as a breakout buy, right? This means this breakout buy candle invalid this early CSAK sell. Okay, so now it considered as a TP wajib. Okay, and if you guys can see, the last weekly candle closed below the top PB, right, with a strong rejection. See, a strong rejection wick. And if you see, a very beautiful top PB is cut. See, it means it's a sign that the price does not want to go higher. Maybe it can chase a lower zones again. Okay, it's also a sign of MLV, guys. Okay, so monthly is in a sell trend. It can come to mitigate MA510 low or the mid BB of weekly minimum. Okay, but if it wants to go lower, it must break these zones, these buy zones. Okay guys, long story short, it must break, it must print a CSAK sell in a weekly time frame if it wants to go to chase the monthly re-entry. And if you guys can see, I can show you here a nuclear setup is in a progress, right? See, a nuclear setup is in a progress, which indicates us towards the selling. Okay, so weekly is in a sell trend, so let's jump on to the daily time frame. Well guys, in daily time frame, last week we have a CSM buy with a strong expansion of top BB, right? So this was a valid re-entry MA510. So this was a valid re-entry of MA510 low, but the last weekly candle, I mean the last Friday candle, closed as a early CSAK sell because candle closed below the MA510 low. After this, we know that if it wants to still go up, it can chase a first buying zone, which is the mid BB. This. Now it can chase this and then go up, or if it wants to go lower first, it must chase this selling area in daily, right? So it can do this and then go down, and if it did a daily CSAK sell, and if it did a daily CSAK sell, then it will go for the weekly. As I already mentioned, that price in weekly price minimum can come for the MA510 low in a weekly time frame. So yeah, for sell we can look for MA510 high in daily. So daily, due to this early CSAK sell, daily is in a sell trend. Let's jump on to the H4 time frame. Well, in H4 time frame, a same story. If you guys can see, here we have a CSM buy, but after this, when price came for the re-entry, it printed as early CSAK sell. You guys can see, same story. But after early CSAK sell, I already this setup mentioned in my free Telegram channel, so I'll posting the link in description. You guys can check it. So if you want to learn, I posted so many setups on daily basis, so you guys can easily learn. So after this re-entry, look how beautifully price rejected from this area, almost the 780 pips. Okay, so it was a massive move, but for now we have a CSM sell and the low BB is expanding towards the downside. Okay, so today is a Monday, we know the volume is pretty low, and also in a Asian session and Euro session, so maybe due to low volume it can violate this sell zone due to low volume. Okay, due to low volume, but maybe it can also pick up this zone and go for a sell. But if price break these levels and close as a early CSAK buy or a CSAK buy, then we look for a daily area, look for a sell. Okay, So H4 is also in a selling mode, but due to the Monday and the Asian session, maybe price can easily broke this area and go for the upper zone. But H4 is also in a sell trend due to this valid CSM sell and low BB expansion. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys for today. Hope you enjoy it. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. And yeah, if you have any question then you can ask me. So see you soon guys. Bye bye.